So you want to make money from home? But you're way too lazy to put much effort into it. So in today's video, I would be showing a secret website that pays you for watching movies. The best part is that you would not need to pay to use this money-making method. Furthermore, I cash out my earnings in the first few hours of using this website. Before we start, let me just give you some examples of videos that you can watch to start earning. The website that we would be using today is Folkno. As you can see, you are going to get paid by watching and rating videos for new movies, TV shows, and more. By rating videos, you can make an impact on what movies and TV shows get made and released. Scroll down a bit and the website would show to you the 3-step process on how to earn money from this website. Step 1, watch videos. Step 2, give feedback and earn flow. Step 3, redeem flow for cash. To start earning, you would have to sign up on the top over here. To sign up, you would have to fill in your email address and password. Once you've filled in both boxes, click the Create Account button. This is the Folkno dashboard. Over here, you can choose the genre of shows you would like to watch, such as movies, TV shows, web games, and politics. And below, that are the movies that are available for you to watch and earn. To start earning money, click on any of the videos here. For this example, I would be watching one of my favorite TV shows, called The Flash. To watch it, just hover your mouse over the show, then click the Start button. Now, the movie is loading. While the movie is playing, you would have to click the Hot button when that segment of the show is interesting or click the Not button if it is boring. Also, you would have to click on the Set of Feelings while you're watching. After the show ended, you would see that you have earned 35 flows. You can earn an additional 10 flows by rating it from 0 to 10. If you rate it 0, that would mean the show was not interesting. However, if you rated a 10, that means the show was definitely worth watching. Also, another 10 flows per action would be given to you if you demand it, tag it, and comment. So in total, you would be given 75 flows for a full review. To earn even more money, you can complete your profile and survey and get a total of 4,000 flows. Now to cash out your earnings, come to the left of the website and click on Store. In the store, you can see that you can cash out $5, $20, $50, $100 in Amazon gift cards. The conversion rate from flow to cash is 1,000 flow equals to $1 in cash. To cash out, just click on the Add to Cart button, then click the Redeem button. After a few minutes, you should receive the Amazon gift card in your email. Before you go, why don't you click on any of these videos to earn even more money?